scrape the roof. So this is what we do. Just scrape it. Just to make it look like that. We just scraped this roof. They're getting a leak. They just wanted to do a patch. 76 square feet per linear feet would be like 22 of 3 feet. Scraped. This is just a patch. We came to a conclusion that this roof might be getting a leak from the field, so we're just doing a patch on field, which is just torch down on the field. No flashing, no nothing, just patches on field or roof. So this is how it looks like when we torch down on a scraped roof. This is how it's looking. We're just gonna go around and bleed out the roll. That's gonna be basically it. Bleed out the roll for the sides, and that's it. Checking this roof. You see how the rain is. Monsoon season. We got a lot of rain like this on certain areas, and then we got like right here, it's just sun. Nothing to worry about. Checking this silicone roofing over modified bitumen. Looks nice. Looks like they did a good thickness on this. But he's dealing with pulling. See if we could help him with some crickets on this project. Okay. Hello. Ahora dale todo así, en agua. pictures. Se está metiendo como por aquí. It's that section and here.